بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever is in the heavens and in the earth glorifies Allah, and only He is the honorable, the wise.
له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Only for Him is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. He gives life and causes death, and He is able to do everything.
هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم.
Only He is the first, and only He is the last, and only He is the apparent, and only He is the hidden, and it is only He who knows all things.
هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو معكم أينما كنتم والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then established His authority upon the throne. He knows whatever goes into the earth and whatever comes out of it, and whatever comes down from the sky and whatever goes up into it. And He is with you wherever you may be, and Allah is observing your actions.
له ملك السماوات والأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
Only for Him is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and only towards Allah is the return of all matters.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وهو عليم بذات الصدور.
He brings the night in a part of the day and brings the day in a part of the night, and He knows what is within the hearts.
آمنوا بالله ورسوله وأنفقوا مما جعلكم مستخلفين فيه فالذين آمنوا منكم وأنفقوا لهم أجر كبير.
Believe in Allah and His beloved Messenger, and spend in His path out of that in which He had made you inheritors of others. So those amongst you who believed and spent in His path, for them is a great reward.
وما لكم لا تؤمنون بالله والرسول يدعوكم لتؤمنوا بربكم وقد أخذ ميثاقكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
And what is the matter with you that you do not believe in Allah, while this messenger, i.e., the Prophet Muhammad, is inviting you to believe in your Lord, and he has indeed taken from you a covenant already, if you have certainty.
هو الذي ينزل على عبده آيات بينات ليخرجكم من الظلمات إلى النور وإن الله بكم لرؤوف رحيم.
It is He who sends down clear verses upon His special bondsmen in order to take you out from darknesses towards light, and indeed Allah is definitely compassionate, merciful upon you.
وما لكم ألا تنفقوا في سبيل الله ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض لا يستوي منكم من أنفق من قبل الفتح وقاتل أولئك أعظم درجة من الذين أنفقوا من بعد وقاتلوا وكلا وعد الله الحسنى والله بما تعملون خبير.
And what is the matter with you that you do not spend in the way of Allah? Whereas only Allah is the inheritor, i.e., owner of all that is in the heavens and in the earth. Those, i.e., the companions of the beloved Prophet amongst you who spent and fought before the conquest of Makkah are not equal to the others. They are greater in rank than those who spent and fought after the conquest of Makkah. And Allah has promised paradise to all of them, and Allah is aware of your deeds.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له وله أجر كريم.
Who will lend a good loan to Allah so that He may double it for him, and for him is an honorable reward.
يوم ترى المؤمنين والمؤمنات يسعى نورهم بين أيديهم وبأيمانهم بشراكم اليوم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
The day when you will see the believing men and the believing women, that their light runs before them and on their right. They are being told that this day the most joyous matter for you is such gardens beneath which rivers flow. You are to reside in them forever. Only this is the great success.
يوم يقول المنافقون والمنافقات للذين آمنوا انظرونا نقتبس من نوركم قيل ارجعوا وراءكم فالتمسوا نورا فضرب بينهم بسور له باب باطنه فيه الرحمة وظاهره من قبله العذاب.
The day when the hypocrite men and the hypocrite women will say to the Muslims that look towards us once, we may have some of your light. It will be said to them, turn back, search for light over there. They will turn around, whereupon suddenly a wall will be put up between them, in which is a gate. Mercy is inside it, and on the outer side is punishment.
ينادونهم ألم نكن معكم قالوا بلى ولكنكم فتنتم أنفسكم وتربصتم وارتبتم وغرتكم الأماني حتى جاء أمر الله وغركم بالله الغرور.
The hypocrites will call out to the Muslims, were we not with you? They will answer, yes, why not? i.e., absolutely. But you had put your souls into mischief, and you used to await misfortune for the Muslims, and you doubted, and false hope deceived you until Allah's command came. And the great deceiver, i.e., Satan, had kept you in arrogance regarding the command of Allah.
فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُؤْخَذُ مِنكُمْ فِدْيَةٌ وَلَا مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا مَأْوَاكُمُ النَّارُ هِيَ مَوْلَاكُمْ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
So, this day, no ransom is to be taken from you, O hypocrites, nor from the blatant disbelievers. Your abode is the fire, that fire is your companion, and what a wretched outcome.
أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ وما نزل من الحق ولا يكونوا كالذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبل فطال عليهم الأمد فقست قلوبهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
Has the time not come for the believers to humble their hearts to Allah's remembrance and for this truth, i.e., the Quran which has come down? And they, i.e., the Muslims, should not become like those who were given the book before, and when the term was prolonged upon them, their hearts therefore became hard, and many of them are sinners.
اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
You should know that it is Allah who revives the earth after its death. We have indeed explained the signs for you that you may understand.
إن المصدقين والمصدقات وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعف لهم ولهم أجر كريم.
Indeed, the charitable men and the charitable women and those who lend a good loan to Allah, for them is double the reward, and for them is an honorable reward.
والذين آمنوا بالله ورسله أولئك هم الصديقون والشهداء عند ربهم لهم أجرهم ونورهم والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who believe in Allah and all His messengers, only they are completely truthful and are witnesses over others in the majestic court of their Lord. For them is their promised reward and their light. And those who disbelieved and belied our verses, they are the inmates of hell.
اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة من الله ورضوان وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور.
You should know that the life of this world is nothing but play and amusement and adornment, and your boasting amongst yourselves, and the desire to surpass each other in wealth and children. It is like the rain whose produce pleased the farmer, then dried up, that you see it yellow, then turned into dry trampled grass. And in the hereafter for the disbelievers is severe punishment, and for the believers is forgiveness from Allah and His contentment. And the life of this world is nothing but the goods of deception.
سابقوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها كعرض السماء والأرض أعدت للذين آمنوا بالله ورسله ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Surpass one another in hastening towards forgiveness from your Lord, and towards that paradise, the width of which is like the distance of the heaven and the earth, prepared for those who believed in Allah and all His messengers. This is the grace of Allah, which He bestows upon whom He wills, and Allah is extremely bountiful.
ما أصاب من مصيبة في الأرض ولا في أنفسكم إلا في كتاب من قبل أن نبرأها إن ذلك على الله يسير.
No calamity befalls the earth nor upon yourselves, but it is mentioned in a book, i.e., the preserved tablet, before this that we created. Verily, this is easy for Allah.
لكي لا تأسوا على ما فاتكم ولا تفرحوا بما آتاكم والله لا يحب كل مختال فخور.
In order that you may not grieve over losing something, nor rejoice upon that which you are given. And Allah does not like any boastful, arrogant person.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ومن يتول فإن الله هو الغني الحميد.
Those who indulge in miserliness and urge others to indulge in miserliness, and whoever turns away, so know that Allah is indeed the independent, the praiseworthy.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قوي عزيز.
Indeed, we sent our messengers with proofs, and sent down the book and the scale of justice along with them, that people may be firm upon justice. And we sent down iron, in which there is extreme strength and benefits for people. And for this reason, that Allah may see him who without seeing helps him, i.e., his religion and his messengers. Indeed, Allah is Almighty, all-dominant.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا وَإِبْرَاهِيمَ وَجَعَلْنَا فِي ذُرِّيَّتِهِمَا النُّبُوَّةَ وَالْكِتَابَ فَمِنْهُم مُّهْتَدٍ وَكَثِيرٌ مِّنْهُمْ فَاسِقُونَ.
And indeed we sent Nuh and Ibrahim and placed prophethood and the book amongst their offspring. So some among them are guided and many of them are disobedient.
ثم قفينا على آثارهم برسلنا وقفينا بعيسى ابن مريم وآتيناه الإنجيل وجعلنا في قلوب الذين اتبعوه رأفة ورحمة ورهبانية ابتدعوها ما كتبناها عليهم إلا ابتغاء رضوان الله فما رعوها حق رعايتها فآتينا الذين آمنوا منهم أجرهم وكثير منهم فاسقون.
We then sent our other messengers after them, following in their footsteps. And after them we sent Isa, the son of Maryam, and bestowed the Injil upon him. And we instilled compassion and mercy in the hearts of his followers. And so they invented monkhood, i.e., being cut off from worldly matters in the religion from their own selves. We had not ordained this upon them. Yes, they made this innovation in order to seek Allah's contentment. Then they did not properly observe it, as it should have been rightfully observed. We henceforth bestowed upon the believers amongst them their reward, and many of them are disobedient.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وآمنوا برسوله يؤتكم كفلين من رحمته ويجعل لكم نورا تمشون به ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
O you who believe, fear Allah and believe in His Messenger. He will give you 2 portions of His mercy, and on the day of judgment will create a light for you to walk therein, i.e., on the bridge of Sirat, and will forgive you. And Allah is most forgiving, the merciful.
لئلا يعلم أهل الكتاب ألا يقدرون على شيء من فضل الله وأن الفضل بيد الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
This is in order that the disbelievers amongst the people of the book may know that they do not have any control whatsoever over the benevolence of Allah, and this, that the benevolence is entirely in Allah's hand of power. He bestows it upon whomsoever He wills, and Allah is the possessor of great bounty.
صدق الله العظيم.